Welcome back, children, in the second part of the chapter Health and Disease. So, first of all, let's revise what we have learned in the first part of the chapter. First, we have learned about the health. What is good health, children? Yes, good health is the state of well-being of mind and body and being free from the diseases. Disease and its type. What is disease, children? Yes, it is an illness that affects the health of the body. In case of disease, a body does not function properly. There are two types of disease, communicable disease and non-communicable. The first is communicable disease. So children, what are communicable diseases? Those diseases which are not spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases. We have also learned about the various modes of transmission of diseases. What are that modes? Yes, through infected food and water, through air, through the animal bite, insects, and also by the direct contact. And as I told you, some diseases which are very serious, they can be prevented by giving the vaccination. Vaccination is given between the age of 0 to 10 years. And what is vaccination, children? Yes, it is the process of injecting the vaccine into the body for protection against a disease. So in this session, we are going to study the second part of the chapter, that means second type of disease, that is non-communicable diseases. So what are non-communicable diseases, children? Yes, these diseases do not spread from the sick person to the healthy person. That means diseases which cannot be transmitted from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. They may be caused by either the deficiency of any nutrient, overnutrition, or when the body part does not function properly. Here also, children, we will discuss one by one all these reasons. So first is deficiency of a nutrient. That means deficiency diseases. What are these deficiency diseases, children? Yes, diseases caused due to the lack of one or more nutrient in the body are called deficiency diseases. So children, what are the nutrients? Yes, you all know. I have already explained you in the previous chapter that the nutrients are the special substance present in the food. And what are the various types of nutrients? Yes, the various types of nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and the mineral. So the deficiency diseases are caused due to the deficiency of proteins, vitamins, and minerals in the diet. This is the table of some vitamins and minerals and the diseases which is caused due to their deficiency. Also the sources containing these vitamins and minerals. So first deficiency disease is night blindness. This night blindness is caused due to the lack of vitamin A. And the food containing the vitamins are green leafy vegetables, carrot, mango, milk, butter, and egg yolk. Second deficiency disease is beriberi, which is caused due to the lack of vitamin B. And the sources you already studied in the previous chapter, that are milk, peas, and green leafy vegetables. Now the disease which is caused due to the lack of vitamin C is scurvy. As you all know that the citrus fruits are the rich source of vitamin C. For example, amla, orange, lemon, and tomato. Disease which is caused due to the vitamin D and the mineral calcium is rickets. And the food which contain this vitamin D is milk and the milk products. Now, the disease goiter is caused due to the lack of iodine, and it is found in iodized salt, seafood and the green leafy vegetables. Now, another mineral deficient disease is anemia, and the sources which contain this iron are spinach, apple, brinjal and meat. Now you know children, the various deficiency diseases caused due to lack of this vitamin and minerals. Now we will learn their symptoms. First is night blindness. Its symptoms are dryness in eyes, dry skin. See this picture children. The person who is having the normal vision will look this picture like this. But person suffering from the night blindness, the same picture will seems to him like this. So the person who is suffering from the night blindness cannot see properly at night. Next deficiency disease is scurvy, which is caused due to the vitamin C. And the symptoms are bleeding in gums, swelling in joints, difficulty in healing of wounds. Now the next deficiency disease which is caused due to the mineral calcium and the vitamin D is rickets. And its symptoms are soft bone that bends easily in children, as you can see in this picture, and the brittleness of bones in the adults. Now tell me one thing children. What do you understand by the mineral iron? Yes, it forms an essential part of the blood pigment called hemoglobin. And this hemoglobin carries oxygen to all the body cells. And this iron is found in the foods like green leafy vegetables, dates, meat and beetroot. So children, less iron in your diet, less blood in your body, and as a result you are suffering from the disease called anemia, which means the less blood in the body. If the person is having the less blood, then we can say that that person is anemic. Various symptoms, and the various symptoms of anemia are tiredness, paleness on the face, and in full time you will have weakness in the body. That's why children, we should take a healthy diet instead of eating the junk foods, because junk foods will not give you the proper nutrients which your body wants. Now next is iodine. What is iodine? It helps in proper functioning of the thyroid gland. Its deficiency causes the disease called goiter. Goiter means enlargement of the neck region. What happens children? In goiter, thyroid gland swells up and releases low amount of its hormones, and which result in this the enlargement of your neck region. This iodine is found in the iodized salt, this green leafy vegetables and the seafoods. So these were the some of the deficiency diseases which are caused due to the lack of vitamins and minerals. But there are some diseases which are caused due to the unhealthy lifestyle. But what do you understand by this unhealthy lifestyle? Yes, that means not doing the regularly exercise, not eating the balanced diet, not eating the food properly, always eating the junk food, and as a result, body part does not function properly. And diseases which are caused due to the malfunctioning of an organ system or a body part are heart disorders, diabetes, high blood pressure and paralysis. Now children, as I told you, we have to take the required nutrient. But children, sometimes what happens, excess or overeating of any particular nutrient may also cause a disease. That means overnutrition. For example, obesity or fatness is the result of excess eating of the carbohydrates and the fats, because extra fat is stored under the skin and this fat makes us obese. So children, those who are suffering from either from the deficiency diseases or some body parts do not function properly or due to this overnutrition, that person needs medical attention and they have to bring change in their lifestyle. And how this can be possible? This can be possible by eating balanced diet, doing regular exercise and correcting some wrong eating habits. Children, what are these wrong eating habits? Yes, some wrong food habits are excessive eating of fried and fatty food leads to obesity. Excessive intake of fat-soluble vitamins in the form of pills which can lead to the hypervitaminosis. What are fat-soluble vitamins? Yes, vitamin A, D, E and K. If you will take its pill in excess, then you can suffer from the disease hypervitaminosis, which is quite harmful. It can affect your liver and kidneys. Consumption of too much salt. Some people take too much of the common salt in their diet and this can lead to the high blood pressure. So children, by changing the unhealthy lifestyle, we can protect ourselves from various non-communicable diseases. So children, we cannot enjoy a wonderful life unless we are fit and healthy. Now I hope children, you all have understood the importance of maintaining a good health, because the greatest wealth is health only. Eat healthy, sleep well, breathe deeply and enjoy your life. With this, I am concluding my session by giving you some homework. In homework, you have to define some words. What are that words? They are disease, vaccine, hemoglobin, health and last is immunity. And not only this, you have to fill some blanks, means fill in the blanks. Here some options are given. You have to fill these blanks with these options. First is, wash your dash with soap before and after meals. A balanced diet includes all the essential dash in correct proportion. Water helps in dash the food. We should eat dash food and avoid eating junk food. Last, we should dash daily to keep ourselves fit and fine. Do this homework in your rough copy. Read the chapter. Learn all the difficult terms. So once again, eat healthy and live healthy. Thank you.